So just to quickly introduce ourselves, we are Xuviate and I am Mathias. I'm one of the co-founders from Xuviate.
And I'm Mark. I'm the second co-founder of Xuviate. Essentially, we help our customers deliver projects faster and more effectively, and not just projects, but really in a multi-project environment.
I think our services that we offer at Xuviate are all focused around really giving a result to the customer, not just focusing on certain parts of it, but we're always looking at what's the problem you're dealing with, and then we are helping you to improve your flow. We're helping you to really get better results to solve your problems. I think when we started looking at this, providing these solutions, we obviously need a tool set. And we looked at the market, we evaluated, and that was around 2017, we started evaluating what's out there in the market. And one of the things that was obviously the technology. So on that side, Businessmap, at that stage, just Kanbanize, they came out at the top two, definitely so they definitely provide what is needed. But I think what made the decision a lot easier, and what made the decision actually, is that we got engagement with the company itself. We got supported by the company, and they are, throughout all these years that we're working together, always supporting us in that it's not just a tool.
And what is very important also for us was to make sure that we find the right partner. And now looking back over the many years of our partnership, we couldn't have made a better decision.
Businessmap has just an awesome support team. We ourselves ran a managed service provider in the IT industry for 20 years, and we ran support desks. And those times and the speed of coming back and the resolution times that we've got are just unheard of in the industry. So that's definitely one team I want to highlight. I think there's another team that I want to highlight, and that is the partnership team. And I'm including here everybody that has to do with partners. And that goes from the CEO down to the person who does the admin with the partners. It is all about engaging. It's all about listening to each other. And it is working together. It's an extended team. It's maybe even an extended family over time, because we are now working together for so long. But it's really important that we are looking at what makes the customer successful, and we're jointly looking at that. It's not just a business relationship.
Businessmap believes in that there's always a better way. Now that's exactly what Mathias and I also believe. And working together with an organization that believes in the same things you believe means you can achieve so much more. But not only that, it's not just Businessmap and Xuviate, but it's Businessmap, Xuviate, and all the other partners in that ecosystem. And all of these partners believe in the same fundamental aspects. That just means we can change the world together. And that is incredibly valuable to not be alone.
I think for us as an ecosystem, the big thing in the future is we have to embrace the newest technology. I think AI is coming, and there's just no question that we have to look at that. And I think on the other side, I'm also very confident, knowing that partner ecosystem, knowing Businessmap as a company, knowing where things are going, and I think we've only got a glimpse of that, but it makes me comfortable that we are set up for going into the future together, for really staying at the forefront and staying nimble, staying agile, really moving fast.
So there are lots of software tools out there that focus on execution and getting results from all the different teams in an organization. And that is something that has to be solved. And then there are lots of tools out there that focus on strategy and mapping strategy from OKRs to other more conventional approaches. But there are very few tools out there that can combine these two worlds to make sure that the strategy that has been decided on can be executed. And when you start visualizing all of the individual decisions, you start realizing that you need to become a lot more agile in your approach. And as a consequence of that, it's not just execution becoming better, strategy becoming better, but it's the business starting to become better and more agile and more flexible. And there's a lot of scope moving in that direction because all the organizations need to figure out how can we move faster, how can we be faster than our competitors, how we can respond faster. And an integrated solution, integrated product like Businessmap helps us achieve that.